So what are we doing today? Well, today I'm installing the step platform for the glamping tent. And I wanted to describe the preservative that I placed on all of the decking, which was a 16 by 14 foot platform. And in addition to that, I made like a step platform that's 6 feet long by about 24 inches wide. And I made a preservative because a little bit is that although I wanted to stain the wood, I really wanted to have a preservation factor. And so what I did was I made up this solution. And the solution's composed of mineral oil, or mineral spirits, I should say. So I used a gallon of this and a quart of the boiled linseed oil. And then half of this packet of like candle wax. And I would say that's like 3/4 of a pound of candle wax. So all I did was I took a 5-gallon bucket and I poured this whole gallon in with this whole quart of linseed oil. And then in a pan, I melted the wax and I poured it in there and stirred vigorously. And the result, if you can see it on the boards, is a slight coloration change of the boards, and you can't see it, but there's a waxy texture, and that should beat up water on it. And so I moisturized the wood with the linseed oil, and the mineral spirits allowed that to penetrate into the wood. Because if you just use linseed oil straight, it gets a really tacky consistency to it, and it doesn't tend to dry, and it attracts dirt actually. So that's what we're doing today.